What is up, you guys? My name is Noah, and this is Tech New.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
How's it going, guys? My name is Noah, and the reason I'm not on video is because I look completely unpresentable right now. But besides that, I wanted to give all of you a heartfelt thank you for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers. I was not anticipating hitting that milestone as of yesterday night. Each time someone clicks that button, it represents a single validation of my existence here on YouTube, and it pushes me to create better and better content and grow as a person and as a YouTuber. It's been quite the journey, and I thank all of you, old and new, for being part of that. I've gained a skill set that I never would have otherwise, and I appreciate those of you who have encouraged me every step of the way. As a token of my gratitude, I thought I'd make some kind of compilation, kind of showcasing those funny, cringy moments that have happened so far. Yeah, I hope you enjoy, and once again, thank you so much.
Can buy an unlocked phone like the Nexus 5X, the model is pure. 600 watt power supply, and I think I covered everything. Oh, and lastly we got a
Hi. Get out. Ascend from the squalor that is the console peasantry.
You would not believe your... Oh wait, that's Firefly.
10 million Firefly.
It's Poison Ivy. You didn't drop the
Okay, so
Ryzen 5, what was it, 1400?
Oh.
Run.
Get to the dry thing. So anyway, yeah. The answer is no. Absolutely not.
Like a really nice close up of you pushing it in. That's not what I meant. After the fact, so do you have anything to say about this?
So different saturations as well, and so let's get into it.
All right. And be careful because they can kill you.
Okay.
Tasks like taking pictures of papers and ugly photos of your friends, and yeah, it's as if the Note 7 catastrophe wasn't enough. And now a symphony of overused words. A nice little addition. Nice. Nice.
Nice.
Okay, that's enough of that.
Woo. Turn away from the camera real quick. Use the
Hello?
Hello? Unsubscribe.
Just everything. Oh. The camera towards the. Yes! Yes! Okay. If you're taking pictures with your tablet of, I don't know, your family or a landscape, you got problems? You got dash charging. Been binge watching YouTube videos all morning and need some more juice for the rest of the day?
on a new place.
Oh my god!
Calling Hungry Howie's Pizza on road in
Watch your profanity.
End call. Hey Google. The challenge, I think, was the putting on the radiator.
The radiator.
That was it. Oh, it was. So camera just is sure to just capture all of your beautiful details and crevices and cracks. I think OnePlus really outdid themselves this year. They took a lot of cues from Apple design-wise and... Oh, wait a second.
Oh shoot. Yeah, how do you open this?
I would just destroy the box.
You would just, well, let's not do that.
Oh, okay. I thought you were doing something else.
I'm thirsty, guys.
Oh man, this is the most uncomfortable thing I've ever done.
Finger tighten your nuts.
Can you give me like a pair of scissors or something? Yeah, can you give me those sharper ones? Okay. Would you rate yourself?
9.
What makes you think that it's a 9?
It's really good.
Don't listen to him. So, in other words, he has made the noble decision to join the PC Master Race.
You were putting it in the wrong way?
Oh god, you look like such a douche right now. It's not even funny.
So I was thinking.
Yeah. Is that recording? Of course it is, because we're special people, you know that? I feel like so dumb doing this. Oh my god. It's not brain surgery.
No, it really is.
No, it's not. Why? Look at this. What are you doing? Just open,
Listen,
open the box.
You want to try?